yourself to go deeper and deeper into a suggestible state of mind and consciousness. Allow your consciousness to open up to new suggestions, different suggestions. There's absolutely no need for you to exist in this spiral of pain continually. You deserve some relief from this pain, from this suffering, from this needless spiral of negativity. We are going to create a new spiral here. We're going to go on to give you some relief. Stay here and allow yourself to be hypnotized. Allow yourself to go deeper and deeper into a suggestible state of mind and consciousness. Allow your consciousness to open up to new suggestions, different suggestions. We're here to change your mind. But before we do that, all you need to do at this point is, if you enjoy these types of videos from me, to make sure that you are subscribed. And another thing that you should be doing is focusing on your breathing. Just allow yourself to coexist with the new spiral for a couple moments. Everything is going well, just as intended. And I'm encouraging you to notice how it makes you feel and how it seems more and more possible and more likely that there is a way out. There's absolutely a way out of this pain, and we are here to find it for you. We're here to establish a new pattern. All right? It's easy. You're halfway there already. Just keep breathing in and out as you do normally. There's nothing much that is required of you to do at this point. You're already becoming more and more receptive. You're becoming more and more open to the idea that you don't have to be in pain, that you can be free, even if momentarily. Just try what it's like. Just try what it feels like to be free of pain. Just continue to breathe slowly in and out with me. And notice how you're leaving irregular trajectory of thought and feeling, how things are becoming more free and easy. Progressively, it's becoming better and better. And there's nothing much that you need to do at this point apart from breathing in and out, exhaling, inhaling, slowly, with patience and grace. That's all that's required of you to do at this point. Nothing else. Here come the new suggestions. Now that your mind is flexible and open again, let's continue. Breathing deeply. You're almost there. Your mind is becoming free, and when your mind becomes free, your entire being becomes free. That's all that needs to happen. Just a little bit of freedom, even if for just a couple moments. Stay with it. Allow it to transform your life. What could be more valid than love? What could have more meaning? What could have more value than love? Here comes the Queen of Cups. She is an ancient archetypal being of maternal love. She is here to remind you that you are lovable and you are loved. At this very moment, you are loved, and you are supported and sustained and embraced by a mystical universe that wants the best for you. You were born to experience the love that you can give and the love that can be given to you. And as you're relaxing into this reading, as you're becoming more and more open, and as you go deeper and deeper into hypnosis, it's becoming more and more obvious that there's nothing in this world that's easier than love. And loving yourself comes easy because you're amazing and your internal world is rich and full of possibilities, and you're sensitive and empathetic. Can you feel your heart melting already? That warm, fuzzy feeling? These deep instincts of love awakening within you. You're here to experience all of that. You're here because of love. And you are here to transmit love. And that comes so easy to you. It's an intuitive process. You're feeling it in your bones, in your heart, in your mind, in your brain. You're feeling it happen. It's happening almost constantly and instantly. Nobody knows better than you. Nobody has more power than you. Love is not ever hierarchical. It's lateral. And You're able to open up, and you're able to give love. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye bye.